The purpose of Anvil is to provide the national research community with a large capacity, most advanced cyber infrastructure that researchers from all kinds of domains can use to run their large computations. We see a lot more researchers and students could benefit from using HPC to increase the scale of their computation so that they can study more complex problems, bigger problems.
Supercomputers affect people's everyday life in many ways that we don't see. From running the weather models that predict the forecast that you see in the evening news, to modeling the structure of viruses that may be dominating our news cycles, are all done by supercomputers.
Anvil is a very powerful supercomputer funded by the National Science Foundation. It includes 1,000 computational units or nodes. It also includes lots of accelerators that help accelerate research.
Not only we have the hardware sitting on there with large capacity, we also have a sizable team, people who can work with users from the non-traditional domains. There is a gap between the knowledge of HPC in those communities. Part of the purpose of Anvil is to try to fill that gap.
There are a few things that sets Anvil apart from various other national HPC resources. The first thing is that Anvil is using the latest generation of processors, so that translates into more computational power and speed for these computational codes. The second thing that sets it apart is just the user-friendly interfaces that we've built on top of Anvil. So someone who's new to high-performance computing can also be up and running within a day. Third thing that really sets Anvil apart is the ecosystem of both training and software that we provide. So a researcher or a student who's new to HPC can also get up and running on Anvil by using our training materials and learning how to use the system.
Anvil not only connects us with researchers that are located throughout the country, but it allows us to participate in an organization that facilitates communication and collaboration. This, to me, allows us to broaden the scope of our impact, to help users regardless of where they are or what they're doing, in an effort to improve science throughout the country.
First of all, Anvil is new. It has the latest processor technologies. It has very high core count, so a lot of the computational work can be done on a single node or in a cabinet. So that speeds up the computation significantly. Secondly, Anvil is an integration of not just the traditional large CPU cluster, but also it has the A100 GPUs, which are very useful for things like training machine learning models. It also has the composable system, kind of a cloud system that's complementary to HPC. So researchers can put a variety of non-traditional workloads on there.
We have the infrastructure, we have the people, we have the expertise and decades of experience helping people solve problems through high-performance computing. It's important for those companies because they can get state-of-the-art and world-class expertise in their doors because they chose to partner with Purdue.
The thing that excites me the most about the Anvil project is just the sheer number of users around the nation that we have been able to support. So we currently have more than 2,000 users running their codes on Anvil. And just seeing the sheer diversity of the domains that are working with Anvil and making use of it.
Anvil can be leveraged to win new awards in scientific gateways. RCAC is experts, whether it's technologists, domain scientists, research software engineers, all people that can help take advantage of the advanced computing resources that we provide.